Okay guys, so it is currently January 5th and it's 9:59 a.m. So I just got ready for church because we're about to leave. So it's first Sunday of the year, so you know I had to wear my native attire. Don't play. Let me give y'all a little 360. I'm trying to get good lighting here. Why is the lighting not good? Ugh. And then I have my natural hair out today. Hopefully I'll have time to do my hair before school. At this rate, I don't even know if I'm gonna have time. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you guys what this is. Okay, so before I go, this is a Sunday reset. I need to look at everything that I need to like on my schoolwork because I want to get ahead before I start school so I'm not stressed out. I'm gonna go downstairs now and I'll see you guys when I come back because we called an Uber and it's gonna be here in 6 minutes. 2:49 p.m. I'm gonna change out of these clothes and I'm gonna rest a little and then we're gonna start doing what we need to do. I need to tidy up my room because it's like every time I get ready, my room just ends up becoming a mess.
And don't forget, I'm just a girl.
Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. I finally got LED lights, so let's install these and hopefully my room goes back to prime because this is all that it's missing, the LED lights. I don't know, we're just gonna see how this goes. Y'all, so this one roll might be more than enough, and even if it's not, I feel like it's gonna reach like halfway or more than halfway. And if I use this, I'm gonna have to cut it, so I might not use this. I might just save it. I might use this one for my sister's room, but so far it's looking really good and I'm so excited. Okay, so I was right guys. It ended up like going like there's literally just a few more spaces left until it reaches like where it started, and I have this whole roll left, but I'm confused because like this roll doesn't have like the connector. I'm gonna put it in my sister's room. I bought two, one for me, one for her, thinking that one wouldn't be enough, but it actually pretty much is. I'm so happy right now. Look at the LED lights, they're eating, and this is where it stopped. And this is where it began, so I'm not gonna use a whole new row. And also guys, I want to show you guys my Stanley that I got. Look it, it's so tea. It has like Hello Kitty on it, and then I have this holder. I have this keychain with flowers and a heart, and then I have this, and then I have this. I got this from downtown LA from that marketplace. Like if you know, you know. If you live in California, you probably know. I don't know if it's fake or not, or maybe it's like the same people who made Stanley made it, they just made it in cheaper quality. But honestly, who cares? It does the same thing, and this is so cute. And I already have two real ones, so okay guys, first of all, look at this, the LED light glow. It is eating. Anyways guys, so I low-key like shifted my room a little, so let me show you it. 5:34 p.m. and I'm finally done like cleaning and all the other stuff. Now it's time to open my computer, and hopefully the canvas is pretty much done, or at least it's still up, so that I can see what I need to do. I'm gonna open my Notion, and then I have this old journal that I got like during quarantine, as well as on my Notion, just in case, because I feel like when I write stuff down, it's like it stays in my brain. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting, 'cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then Okay, y'all, so I just finished writing everything that I need to do over the course of this coming week before school starts. It's not too bad in terms of schoolwork. I feel like I can get it done as long as I don't procrastinate. What I need to do now is really edit my video and my thumbnail because I really need to put it up, but I've just been delaying because I feel like it's so hard. I feel like I didn't film it well and it's all over the place, but I need it up like now because it's a new year reset and everyone has already uploaded. Everyone has been uploading theirs and I'm already late to the bandwagon and I cannot push it any more than it already has been pushed. Like, I need it up by tomorrow. And not only that, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I'm editing on Final Cut Pro because my sister's using my iPad right now since hers broke, so I can't use my iPad to edit on VLLO, which is like my go-to. And I have it on my phone, but I just don't feel like editing on my phone, like not on this small screen. So you know what, let's just do Final Cut Pro because anyways, a lot of people edit on Final Cut Pro anyways. So also, I just can't get over like how tea my room looks right now. Like, I need to keep it clean. Also guys, you guys should go and follow my TikTok. This is it right here. It's 𝐐𝐪𝐿. I want to take YouTube seriously, and I just have to stop caring about what other people think because that is literally my downfall. Like, everyone says to promote your channel and I promote it on apps that are like Pinterest, of course, is popping, but it takes a bit before you be popping on Pinterest. TikTok is like this. Instagram, pretty much like that. Instagram, we're gonna have to hold off on that. TikTok is what I'm gonna try and shimmy my way into for now. I'm tired. Anyway, so it's been like a hot minute. I've been downstairs. I was doing my work and then I ate. It's 9:17 p.m. and it's time to get ready for bed. I'm not actually gonna go to sleep. At least I'm gonna wait till like at least 11 because I still have stuff to do. But it's time to like wash my face, get rid of this makeup, and change into pajamas. My face is greasy because I put coconut oil in it to like take off the makeup. I don't even know where I saw that from, but I just do that sometimes. And I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine. Bro, my camera is literally so annoying. Anyways, so yeah, after that, then we're gonna find something to watch, maybe a movie while we work until you have to go to sleep. So it's 10:18 p.m. But yeah guys, I want to go in bed early because I have basketball practice tomorrow. And this week they did a lot. Like, I was ready to quit this week, bro. Like, in my head I was like, I have free will. If I wanted to, I could just leave, but you know, I stayed. Trust me,